Fire in the Blackstone hole. Let's cook some pancakes. Stay tuned. Bacon roasting on an open fire. Hey, I know I said I wouldn't sing that song anymore, but guess what? It's the holidays and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling happy because I got some bacon cooking on the Blackstone and I'm going to cook some pancakes on here. I'm going to show you my favorite pancake recipe for blueberry pancakes. But first I got to get some bacon and some sausage cooked up. And I know you guys love watching bacon cook, don't you? You would sit there and watch bacon and sausage cook all day if I let you. But I can't let you because it's too boring. Anyway, let me get my bacon cooked up and get it off the Blackstone. And then I'll show you my favorite pancake recipe for blueberry pancakes. So stay tuned. So when it comes to pancake batter, my favorite stuff is this Bisquick pancake baking mix. I've tried a bunch of different kinds of stuff. I didn't really like any of them. The good thing about this is you have to add eggs and milk to it. You have to add 2 eggs to 2 cups of pancake flour, a cup of milk, 2 eggs, and I've got some fresh blueberries. I've got 2 cups of fresh blueberries that I'm mixing there. I'm going to make my pancake batter up. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of vanilla extract also. And that's my favorite pancake mix. Then I'm going to get that in my plastic pouring thing so that I can pour that out on the griddle and we'll pour out some pancakes. So stay tuned. Okay, my bacon's cooked. I've got my pancake batter mixed up. Got the Blackstone on a low heat. You don't want too high of a heat when you're cooking pancakes. So I'm going to pour out some pancakes here. And I got a lot of blueberries in these pancakes, so they're going to be kind of lumpy at first, I think. There's one. Let's put one here. I'm hoping to get at least 6 pancakes, nice sized pancakes out of this. There you go. Got plenty of blueberries in there. Get them poured out. Like I said, we got the Blackstone griddle turned down to a rather low heat. Let me get a couple more going here. Doesn't look like I'm going to get 6. I might get 5. I might have to mix up some more batter because don't forget I'm feeding a family here. No, I might get 6. Let me see. Where can I pour my 6th pancake at? I'll pour it way over here in the corner. It might be a little smaller than the rest, but that's okay. It'll be a dwarf pancake. Okay. Get all that pancake batter out of there that I can get. I got 3 or 4 really nice ones here. Get the rest of that out of there. Yeah, okay. All you got to do now is let them cook till they start to like bubble over a little bit, and you can flip them. We'll give them a flip, and my pancakes will be ready to eat pretty soon. They're starting to turn brown on the edges here, but they have to make bubbles. See that one that got a little bubble on it? They got to get some bubbles on them. Let me get these cooked up and flipped over and cooked. And I'll bring you back for the taste test. I got to get a cup of coffee out here too, because you can't drink beer with pancakes. Let me get my pancakes cooked, get them in a plate, and we'll take a taste and drink some coffee. So stay tuned. My blueberry pancakes are done. How does that look? Pretty darn good, huh? I got to get some of that in my mouth. I got some coffee in my Skyrim mug. That's Rolf. Rolf is saying, "Hey you, you're finally awake." Good coffee. Cafe Bustelo. Let me cut off a piece. I got some blueberry flavored syrup over here too. Strangely enough. Oh boy. I just took a piece of that. Got a forkful of that, one of those blueberries, squirted out blueberry juice on me. Mmm. That's delicious. Let me tell you what. Hey. This is a great recipe. Awesome blueberry pancakes. Can't be beat. If you're watching this, it's probably the day after Thanksgiving, I think. And this was my Thanksgiving breakfast. Anyway. Cheers, there's Rolf. Hey you, you're finally awake. If you never played Skyrim, you don't know what I'm talking about. That's okay. Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving. I know I'm a day late, $1 short, but that's okay. You know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up to the iCard and visit my good friend, Mr. Smoky Goodness. I'm trying to shame him into making a video. He hasn't made one in a long time, Mr. Smoky Goodness. Need to get rocking, dude. Get rocking some stuff. Everybody wants to see Smoky Goodness, right? Right? If you want to see Smoky Goodness, go in the iCard and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment and say you want to see some more Smoky Goodness. I know I do. Big Dan, my buddy Big Dan. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I know it's the day after, but we got more stuff coming up in the weeks to come. And anyway, that's my video. That's my pancakes. I can't wait to go devour my pancakes and drink my coffee. Hey, well, see you all next week. Bye.